If attached, start by removing the shopper basket from the upper mounts. Slide the upper mounts to your desired height so the seat sits where you'd like it. If you want the car seat on its own, remove the stroller seat from the top mounts. Click the adapters into the upper mounts, and lower the infant car seat onto the adapters until it clicks. Press your car seat's release buttons and lift straight up. Then press the release buttons and remove the adapters one at a time. If you want the bassinet on top, remove the stroller seat from the upper mounts. Lower the bassinet onto the mounts until it clicks. To remove it, press buttons on both sides of the bassinet and lift it straight off. Slide the upper mounts to the top position to make space for both seats. Line the second seat up on the lower mounts and press until both sides click. Attach the top seat onto the upper mounts the same way. Both seats can be world-facing, parent-facing, or a combo of both, so you can choose what works best for your child. Click the infant car seat adapters onto the upper mounts. Raise the handlebar to make room for the infant car seat. Place the car seat on the adapters until it clicks. Make sure the second seat is in the lower mounts and parent-facing. It must be in this direction to accommodate the bassinet. Then lower the bassinet onto the mounts until it clicks. The Cybex Gazelle allows for over 20 configurations.